Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Dance once again, and in today's video we are going to be making pizza using leftovers from my previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, please go on ahead and watch it after watching this one so that you will catch up and know what we are going to do today. So we are going to be making pizza, and this is my pizza dough that I made overnight. So right now, as you're seeing it had been in that bucket for about 12 hours, and that's why it's really so soft now and not sticky. So if you don't know how to make the pizza dough or anything that you're going to see in this video, I want to let you know that I already have a video about how to make pizza at home. Everything, the details of the pizza sauce, of the pizza dough is already in that video. So make sure you check the description box for this particular video, because I'm going to leave that link in there. And yeah, just like that, I'm just going to roll it out. And because I really love a firm crust, which is not in the other video I told you, I am just going to first put the dough onto a pan, and it firms, it gets a little bit hard before I set it up to go into the oven. So we have our homemade pizza sauce. It's also in that video, just in case you want to know. However, you can also go into the stores that are near you and you can buy an already made pizza sauce. We just spread it all around our pizza dough, and I put those holes with a fork so that the dough does not continuously rise as it cooks, because remember, it has yeast in it. They are just to prevent continuous rising. And yeah, just spread the pizza sauce all around where you want it to go. And once that is done, you can just add on toppings of your choice. I'm just going to add on some little shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm using Kaka's cheese. This is locally made here in my town, Barra, and really affordable, and I think it's really good. It tastes really nice. It has some good flavor, and yeah, it's nice. Kaka's cheese, if you can find it in any stores, look out for it. So I'm just going to add on my beef. You remember this one from the previous video? It was a leftover. So all I'm trying to say is you can reuse leftovers. You don't have to sometimes throw things away just because what you're cooking today is done and then you have nothing to do with the remaining food, or you actually ate and there's food remaining and you can't do anything. So every time I have leftovers, I'm always going to come here and show you how you can reuse them to create something else, something tasty and something better. So from the stuffed butternut squash, we have a pizza. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't. See you soon. Bye.